Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new product to the Invoice Maker and Estimate application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And then tap on product, click on the plus icon at the top, then you should add the product code, the rate, the cost, whether it is taxable or not. You can set it by the help of this button and then type in your comment down below. When you are done, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can find your product, so you can edit it anytime, and you can also get rid of it by tapping on the delete button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.